Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel in the series of science experiments, and today I am sharing a very simple science experiment that beautifully explains to children why washing hands with soap is so important. For this we need liquid soap, water, a plate and the black pepper powder. First, we will pour some water into the plate. Then we will sprinkle some black pepper powder on top of this water. This floating pepper represents germs. This visual representation really helps children understand something they cannot see in real life. Now, we will dip our finger into the soap. And touch the water. Immediately, when you touch the water, the pepper spreads away from the finger, and children are always amazed to see this reaction. To know the science behind it, please check the description box below. Thank you for watching. Do try this with your children and let me know their reaction in the comments.